Okay, so grade 12. Asike sidile nento esibiza nge-organic chemistry. So, i-chemistry kade waqala ukuyenza kusukela grade 10. But this is a branch of chemistry that deals with the study of carbon compounds. Okusho ukuthi yonke into eno-carbon, so ingenzeka ibe i-non-living or ngenzeka kube i-living organism. Ziningi izinto ezino-carbon. For example, izinto njengawe, ikhona i-carbon that makes up umzimba wakho kuwena ngithi. But you also have the carbon dioxide, which is not anything ephilayo. So it is based on almost yonke into ekhona eno-carbon, as long as we-compound and kukhona u-C. We will discuss why kukhulunywa kakhulu ngo-carbon. So, ama-organic molecules, obvious, ama-molecules containing ama-compounds. So, omunye ngathi ama-organic compounds, which means ama-compounds ano-carbon. So, yini lebaluleke kangaka ngo-carbon? U-carbon unama-valence electrons awu-4. Mesifana nangu nje u-carbon, it can only have 4 bonds. Angabonda la, abonde la, abonde la, abonde la. So, u-carbon uma ebonda nomunye u-carbon, khonto eyenzakalayo. Let's just say nangu u-carbon la, abonde nomunye u-carbon. How? Kodwa lo carbon una 4 nje, which means naye uzophinda akhiphe omunye u-4 wakhe. Afake omunye u-carbon. How? Naye lo carbon unomunye u-4 wakhe. Buka khonto ekufanele kumele uyinake la. Njengoba ngithi uno-4 kuwo 1 2 3 4 kodwa lo 1 ukhona futhi kunalo 4. It is because it is a concept of sharing ama-electrons. Njengokuthi wena, for example, uma wakho nobaba wakho banengane eyodwa uwena. Yabo? Kulula ukukhuluma kanjalo, but let's just say when ubaba wakho noma wakho banengane eziwu-2. Uma bebuza uma wakho ukuthi unengane ezingaki, uzothi eziwu-2. Uma bebuza ubaba wakho ukuthi unengane ezingaki, naye uzothi eziwu-2. Kodwa kuqondile ukuthi bobabili banengane eziwu-4. Angithi ngoba lezi eziwu-2 abakhuluma ngazo bobabili ezabo bobabili. Ukuthi the same concept here. Ukusho ukuthi nale electron ela nale ephuma ngala makes up this bond eyodwa. Yabo? So u-carbon has the ability ukuthi akwazi ukubonda nezinto eziningi, and when that happens it creates a chain of ama-carbon atoms creating a compound, and izoba nama-characteristics ahlukile depending on the number and the size of ama-carbons. So enye into emele uyazi ngayo futhi i-carbon, it does not only pair or bond up with carbon itself. La kenzeka kube khona o-hydrogen. Kube khona o-hydrogen yonke indawo, and whenever kukhona i-compound with just hydrogen and carbon, kunegama abalibiza ngalo. But we will go through lolo gama lelo and wonke ama-terminologies. Wena, I'm sure usutsheliwe ngayo organic chemistry ukuthi uzoyizwa ka-grade 12 awema, but relax. Ziningi izinto ozozenza, ziningi izinto ekumele uyikhumbule njalo, but remember ukhumbula. Into esiyibone ngokukhumbula ukuthi awukhumbuli ngoba nakuyazi, ukhumbula because you spent enough time ngayo leyo nto leyo. Kuba lula ukuyikhumbula ukuthi uyayazi usangayikhohlwa, but mawusu uyazi uzolibela uyiphinde kuzoba nzima ukuthi uyikhohlwe. Yonke esimele siyenze la, because kusazomela senze ama-carbons whereby izoba khona iyodwa i-carbon ebe u2 ebe u3 up until sizogcina ku8. Mele sazi kwaname yonke lonto leyo. Asambe manje siyobheka ke ukuthi lama terminologies awu3 engikhuluma ngawo ukuthi achaza ukuthini, and then we go on to ama-carbon from 1 to 8. Alright, now activity nje la encane. So this is based on ama-isom. Amele ukwazi ukwa-identify, amele ukwazi ukudweba. So kuthiwa la for each of the following isomers bakutshela ukuthi ama-isom, which means it could either be ama-chain isomers, it could either be ama-positional isomers, or it could also be any ama-functional isomers. Okay, so number 1, kuthiwa la write down the structural isom. Yokuqala le, yabo, structural, which means kahle kahle baqonisa sidwebe. You have to write down kodwa nje yabo ukuthi the structural isom of bani Bakutshela 2-methyl pentane and 3-methyl pentane. Okay, nangu number 5. Kuthiwa draw the structural formula of 3 isomers with the molecular formula C6H14. Bakubhalela ke amagama. Sometimes they don't write amagama for wena uyayitholela. For example, mhlasimbe le structural formula nale molecular formula le ngenza mhlambe sinama isomer mhlambe awu 8 but bakubuza awu 3. Yabo, so sometimes kumele uyithole le wena. Yabo, it's fine. But okay. So the first step is to just ukubona ukuthi first of all i-alkane le. Why sibona ngani alkane? First of all kulamagama abasibhalele wona. Batheni ama structural isomers ani akhe lo. Okusho ukuthi lento le igcina ngo-ane. Ubuka ama-suffix kuphela. Lama suffix uma igcina ngo-ane akutshela ama-alkanes wonke. Number 2, i-general formula. I-general formula yama-alkanes ithi CnH2n plus 2. So if u-n ewu-6, so multi 2 times the 6 iphuma u-12. 12 plus the 2 yaphuma lo 14. Ensuring ukuthi ngempela le molecular formula belongs to i-structure esiyi-alkane. So thina kutheni asidwebe the structural formula, which means I condensed structural formula. Molecular sebesinikile vele. Bonke laba they have the same molecular formula, but bafuna ni structural formula. So remember, what type of isomers are these 3 organic compounds? Amani, chain isomers, because as you can see, the chain is different. Kono pentane la, no methyl. Kono butane la, no methyl about 2. Kono propane la, no methyl about 3. That's the only difference. But guess is a job nga one. Starting with number 1. Okay, now number 1 la. So first things, 2-methyl pentane. First things first, start along this chain. As you can see, pentane. Methyl is a branch. Alkyl is a eceleni. So starting and go carbon abangaki about 5. So those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Carbon about 5. And then kuzowenzakalani ngemva kuno methyl on the second carbon. So 1, 2. Kuzoba khona umethyl simfake nje la ezansi. Kuzoba khona umethyl ozoba khona la. Okay, and then it is an alkane, which means it is a saturated hydrocarbon. It's a saturated hydrocarbon. It's saturated because it only consists of single bonds. It's a hydrocarbon ngoba it is only made up of atoms abani a carbon no hydrogen, which is why it's hydrocarbon pair. And then he also said is to add H atoms on every carbon, because remember carbon unama valence electrons are 4, therefore it can bond with 4 other atoms. Yabo? Okay, sifake labo H. So lona ke uzokuba, this is the first one. This is the first structural formula of any organic compound in a molecular formula C6H14. As beginning, asibale OC ukuthi bawu 6 ngempela yini, OH bawu 14 ngempela yini, kulu number 1 abambhalela. So OC, remember OC awukwazi ukubala kanje wehlela. You have to get the longest chain qala, and then konke kuzosala becomes ama branches akho. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yabo? 6, which means the longest chain is 5, but low over 6 is the branch esikhuluma ngawo. But ke ngoba sifuna vele i-molecular formula, which means sibala nje the number of atoms, it's fine. Ukuthi uhamba kanjani, it doesn't matter. Sifuna ukwazi nje carbon bangaki, sesibonile bawu 6. What about hydrogenic? Hydrogen bangaki? Asibaqaleni ngala sohamba nje kanje siyovala ngala. So sesiyazi ukuthi already carbon 6. sesifuna manje OH ukuthi bangakhi. Okay, siqaleni ke la. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Yabo? Which means hydrogen bakho around this organic compound about 14. Proving ngempela ukuthi leli gama leli organic compound linayo ngempela in le molecular formula abakunikeze yona la. Ensuring ukuthi i-answer yakho uzobuyidwebile i-right. This is not part of i-answer. Lezi number lezi ngibhala la is not part of i-answer. Ngibhalela ukuverify ukuthi lento abanginike yona iyahambiselana yini naloko engikudwebile. Because awukwazi ukudweba and then mase ushiya kanjalo. Asami so testa le number 2. Okay, so sesimenzile njalo number 1. I'm confirm ukuthi ngempela it is a structural isomer or a chain isomer of a molecular formula with C6H14 A alkane, which is a hydrocarbon. So 2,2 dimethyl, which means ama branches la. Methyl ababili. Akuwona ethyl ngoba nangisubona ukuthi methyl beba u2 bazokwenza ethyl cha. Methyl ababili nje. But they are attached to the same carbon, which is like 2,2. Di ngoba babili. Methyl, which means they consist of one carbon atom. Butane, the main branch. The main chain, butane, which means bute khumbula ukuthi no carbon abangaki about 4. Okay, qale ngabo carbon about 4. 1 2 3 4. Carbon about 4 and then 2,2. So 1 2, which means ukhona carbon ola, ukhona carbon ola. And then so far ama single bonds akho. Why is far single bonds? It is because the organic compound it is an alkane, which is a saturated hydrocarbon, which means it only consists of single bonds. So as far as hydrogen. Remember, gauge hydrogen because uma branches sometimes kuba khona la uzokhohlwa khona ukubafaka and lo nto lezo wenza ukuthi bakupenalize. Yabo? Ngiyobona nje ukuthi la kule branch le kumele ube khona hydrogen bakhona now. I'm sure uzoba used to ukudweba ama structural formula of ama organic compounds as time goes by. So, asibukeni la. Remember the main chain is butane, which means it has 4 carbon atoms. So 1 2 3 4. Ever? But to prove the molecular formula, we don't care about the order because sibalanana the number of carbons. But it's bangaka kahle carbon yonke indawo. Asinendawo ukuthi sibala siqala ngakephi sibheke ngakephi cha. So sibala about 4 ngithi. So 5 6. Which means so we'll see 6. What about OH? Sibale no OH. Qale 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. As you can see now OH about 14. C6H14. So again it proves ukuthi naye shuthi nalo it is a structural, it is a isomer kahle of C6H14. Yabo. C6H14 can be in many names njengoba besho maningi amagama angaba khona. So sesimbalile. So manje we're going to test the AS3 and then we move on to the next question. Okay, as we test then in 2,2,3 trimethyl propane. Which means manje methyl sebeba 3. 2 of them methyl branches are on the second carbon and 1 is on the third. And then propane, which means the main chain is propane kahle. So kahle lento le 1 2 3. Remember? And then mase senzenjani la sizofaka i-branch la nala sifake i-branch but konke ngifuna uyibukeke la. Mawubuka la So khona ngemele uyifake on the third angithi. But mawuthi la kufanele uthi seqaleni angithi already la. But ke konke ngifuna uyibone ukuthi the reason why sithi khala sifake no hydrogen bethu H H H H H H H H H H H H H. Okay, yeah. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So on the second carbon there are 2, but on the third ukhona u1. Yeah. But what if we qala ngala lento le? Mawiqala ngala, which means sekhona bala u1, which means there's 1, 2. So kuzoba kanje 1, because nango 1 la, 2, 2, and then must follow dash, must see try methyl propane. This is the correct name for yona. The name about yona is wrong, but it is it has the same molecular formula, but the naming naming is not just in any order. Nomenclature IUPAC, which is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemists. But again, you need to get used to name our compounds, because we have one name you can recognize the homologous series, which is unding abelonga one. Therefore, you can recognize the type of intermolecular forces present. Therefore, so I was no shoot okay, shoot like boiling point iganje, melting point iganje, vapor pressure iganje. That's the little pump. Alright, so on number 6 last year's I'm a structural formulas also. So niggas and I'm boiling points. So niggas are umbozo. Okay, fine. So the structural formula, what we can see last is no carbon, no hydrogen, no halogen iode, which means la haloalkane. La sibona no carbon, no hydrogen, halogen, which means na le haloalkane. Aiki double bond, aiki triple bond, aweko O, which means this is a haloalkane. La haloalkane la ubuka ano CLO order le na le ino CLO order. Ino carbon about 4 le na le ino carbon about 4. Ino hydrogen about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 na le 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So ngenza ukuthi ba ama isomers la, but they have the same molecular formula, but their structures are different. Yaba? So ngokushintsha kwama structures abo London calls because I'm boiling points are fine. Yeah, but get question 6a. So I give the IUPAC name of each compound. Okay, let's triangle A. First we get the main chain. Because it's straight. But sizokala ngale party le any halogen or any substituent, which means goes about 1 la, 2 la, 3 la, 4 la. So there's no need to write one, it's 1 chloro. Yeah, so which means it's chloro. No, to be specific, it's 1 chloro, and then bangagige 1 2 3 4, which means bute, and then haloalkane. Therefore, its suffix it's in a ane, and then B. Upi nala sizoqala ngala khona ilo konje halogen, but ke there's 1 carbon ngala and 1 carbon ngala, so it's the same noma aqala ngakiphi. So 1 2 3, which means it is 2 chloro kahle kahle la, it is 2 chloro and then dash 2 methyl Koni branch and then main chain 1 2 3. So prop haloalkane ane. So 2 chloro 2 methyl propane lona gama la khona le. So igama la A igama la B lelo esibiza ngani nge IUPAC name. Remember bhalela IUPAC. Then ukubalekile ukuthi uyazi because kwamanye ama-questions ephepheni babuye bakubuze ukuthi hayibo kumele ukuthini. So international union kube khona of la of pure kube khona and la and applied chemistry. Now in the balekile International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Every time it's IUPAC, so befuna igama layo nje. Bafuna igama layo lo structural or lo condensed formula. Leso bakunikeze yona. Iyona osebenzisa IUPAC lezi indlela esifunda ngazo ezama suffix ukuthi mawuname uthi alphabetical order njengoba ubona la uC ufika qala kuno M which is why ngiqale ngoC. Umunye ubengaqala ngebranch iqala but once waqala ngo-M which means usahamba in alphabetical order, yabo? So izinto ezikanjalo ilezi esayifunda khathi senza into yama IUPAC. Asidluleleni phambili. Alright, so manje describe the difference in their boiling points. Remember, boiling point yini iyodwa boiling point. Boiling point we define it as the temperature in which the vapor pressure of a substance equals its atmospheric pressure. You're a boiling point where a liquid changes its state into a gas. Yabo? Why? Let's do this. Ngoba zo2 zine molecular formula efanayo. Zino carbon nabafanayo, zino hydrogen nabafanayo, or chlorine nabafanayo. But ama boiling point aba ahlukile. Yenziswa yini lo nto? First of all, uyayibona ukuthi indlela emngayo. The way the atoms are structured, iyona into eshintshe ema-boiling points. Okay, so first things first. Ungasho ukuthi both compounds. Asithi both compounds kanje. Ukuze ongeke uzudide. Both compounds are ama-haloalkanes. Bobabili. So both compounds are haloalkanes. Okay, ukuqala lo bobabili ama-haloalkanes. So ngasho ukuthi they have the same type of intermolecular forces, ngobhala as IMF, intermolecular forces, which is induced dipole forces and dipole forces. Yabo? But bugak compound A has a straight chain, but compound B has a branched chain. Ukhona ama branches la ku B, angithi. So branching reduces the strength. Branching reduces the strength of intermolecular forces. Therefore, compound B requires less energy to break bonds than compound A, making compound A have a higher boiling point than compound B. Angichaze into engibhalile. It seems as if kuningi but it's because ngibhalele wena uzokwazi ukunderstand ngibhalele yonke into engingayisho. Yabo? Okay. Kuningi futhi kungathi ungakusho ke la engakubhalanga, just like saying ukuthi they have the same molecular formula but different structural formula. They are chain isomers. One is branched and one is straight. Yabo? But ke ngithe mina both compounds are haloalkanes. Ba ma haloalkanes bobabili. So therefore they have the same type of intermolecular forces, which is induced dipole forces and dipole forces. Compound A has a straight chain, compound A. But compound B has a branched chain. Compound B, about no methyl. And then, so I show that branching reduces the strength of intermolecular forces. Every time. Whenever a compound has branches, intermolecular forces have been reduced. Therefore, compound B requires branches, which means it requires less energy to break the bond because intermolecular forces are weak, making compound A have a higher boiling point than compound B. Ziningi indlela ongayichaza ngayo le nto efanayo kuya ngokuthi wena usebenzise maphi amagama, but kunalo ma keywords abalekile lapho nalapho okuye ungakusho ukuthi compound A has stronger intermolecular forces than compound B. Therefore, compound B requires more energy to break its bonds, than compound A, making compound A have a higher boiling point than compound B. Indlela yokuphendula every time. Kukwena utubhala in point form a paragraph. Kukwena yabo ngisuggest utubhala in point form khona uzokwazi ukuyibona kahle yonke into oyibhalayo. Which means ama-ideas wonke lawo aqhamukayo. Yabo? Kanti ngoba kwi-paragraph masukhohle you have to go back eqaleni ufunde. Yabo? So, you're giving even nomuntu ozokumakela an opportunity yokuthi into yakho is structured ayifunde kangcono. Yayizo le. Because sometimes you might try to explain into ethize but uhluleke, but you tried. Yabo? Uma uzayibhala nge-point form uzoyibona kangcono. So lo bezama ukuthi ngenzeka abe lenient, ngenzeka ngabe lenient, we don't know. Asho phambili. Alright, so for number 7, let's balance the following complete combustion equations. Remember, combustion, a hydrocarbon reacts with oxygen, and to give you carbon dioxide and water and energy. La kwenza khona umlilo. Awukwazi umlilo kwenzeka ioxygen ingekho. A hydrocarbon needs to burn in the presence of oxygen ukuze uphume umlilo. Yabo? That's the case throughout umhlaba except for the sun. Ilanga burns differently from combustion. Okay. Starting with A, so C3H8. As you can see, C3H8 alkane. Why? 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. So alkane. Reacts with oxygen to give you carbon dioxide and water. Okay. Starting C3H8 plus O2 to give you CO2 plus H2O. Okay. Asibhaleni ama atoms ethu. Remember kwama atoms ethu siyabhala wonke ngala, sobhale wonke ngale. The reactant side and the product side. So C, we have a C, we have OH, we have O. So OC ngala about 3, and then OH ngala about 8, and then OO ngala about 2. Same ngale my product. C ngala O, OH ngala about 2. OO ngala about 2 plus la 1 about 3. Okay, so as you can see, akubalansekile, yabo? We need to try and put in stoichiometric ratios la in order for the atoms to balance. Yabo? Okay, remember that you have to try, and if it fails, you clear it off uqale emaphansi. Ungavele ujethi ngoba sekubalance God should nalo kuyise go right now. Okay, so carbon about 3 nala. So njoqala maybe singafaka u3 la. We're testing it out. uma sifaka u3 la in front of carbon dioxide, leyo nto izenza ukuthi all carbon bazoba u3 because uwodwa la 3 times 1 becomes u3 sebebalansile la. But ke lo 3 also multiplies lo 2 lo, yabo, lo 3 also multiplies lo 2 lo, so therefore kuzoyenzakalani ke 3 times lo 2 gives you 6 plus lo 1 ongale wa oxygen gives you 7. Okay, 7 is now ngala. So kunento kumele senze buka o hydrogen bawu 8 ngala bawu 2. So into esingayenza singafaka u4 la. Remember, we're still testing it out. Mele i-ratio ifakayo mele isebenze throughout. Ingasebenza for one atom, but mase uyayichecka ayisebenzi kwabanye, which means mele uyisuse uzame enye number. Okay, uma sifaka u4 la kuzoba 4 times 2. Lo 4 times 2 lo uzosinikeza ba u8. Yabo? But lo 4 lo kodwa times lo 1 lo angithi. So 4 times 1 u4 angithi, plus lo 6 oqhamukela. So 6 plus lo 4 uzosinikeza u10. Which means manje oxygen sebeba u10, yabo? Kodwa ngala ba u2. Buka ke already sekubalansile ngala. Kwabalance ngala. Sekushoda oxygen ke manje. Ngala oxygen sebeba u10 kodwa ngala ba u2. Uyayazi imaths. U2 kuzaba u10 kumele umultiply ngo5. So therefore in front of O2 ngala sizofaka u5. So 5 times this 2 gives us u10. Sekhona u10 ngala, u10 ngala. So now the equation yethu yale combustion has been balanced. It is C3H8 plus 5O2 to give you 3CO2 plus 4H2O. Yona ndlela ukuyibalance ke le chemical equation. Regardless ukuthi ke i-combustion noma yiphi, wonke ama-equations zobalance kanje. Uma kukhona indlela oyazi ngayo, which means ngenzeka yona ukuthi isilula kuwena, mainly because usuwenza grade 12, you've been doing it since ka grade 10. Now it's fine, iyasebenza, but indlela easy kakhulu is to write down ama atoms kanje uwabone ukuthi no awalingani, because sometimes omunye umuntu mekhona inumber la akakwazi ukubona ukuthi kwenzakaleni up until they start writing inumber babonze ngeke akulingani, yabo. So iyona indlela. So le elandelayo you can just pause the video uyizamele ngokwakho, and then uma sesiyenza ndawonye you can now compare. Alright, so asenzeni uB nayo manje ngendlela efanayo nakhona. So uB wona uthi C2H6 plus she space kancane O2 to give you she space kancane CO2 plus she space kancane H2O. Okay, uyazi ke sibhala ama compounds, ama atoms on each side, i-reactant in our product. So C H O bangakula OC about 2 as you can see now, yabo. OH about 6, OO about 2, yabo. Okay, asiza ngala ama products in C uyedwa, OH about 2, and then OO about 3. Most of the time clears go 1, 2, 3 every time. Okay, but okay, we are see try and balance. As you can see, about 2 we had, about 6, about 2, about 2, about 3. In number I'm saying when I 70 ama stoichiometric ratios of fagala. Okuyiwona phela azobalance ama atoms on each individual side ngala. Okay, so about 2 ngala uyedwa carbon enohlezi okuqalisayo njalo. Wona umuntu ozoqalisa bawu2 carbon uyedwa, so asitali sifaka u2 sibothe uzoyenzakalani. So sifaka u2 la. So uma sifaka u2, which means 2 times 1 sebeba u2 ngala, yabo. 2 times lo 2 kodwa lo sebeba ngakhi 4 because oxygen affectekile phela, sebeba u4 oxygen plus lo wodwa la sebeba u5, yabo. Okay, and then buka lana bawu2 oxygen ngala o hydrogen laba ngimele sibhale ngala 2 times 2 u4 plus lo 1 sebeba u5, yeah, bawu5 ngala bawu2 ngala. O hydrogen bawu6 la laba u2 and u2 kuzaba u6 njalo uqala ngencane uzamukela kule nkulu. So u2 kuzaba u6 kumele ubheke ukuthi bangabe u2 abenza u6 so 2 4 6 ba u3. So asizameni ufaka u3 la sibona. Sekuzoba 3 times 2 kuphume lo6. Yabo? Sekuhamba kahle. But ke buka 3 times 2 u6 angithi but buka oxygenic 3 times 1 u3 2 times 2 u4. So 4 plus lo 3 gives you u7. Yabo? So manje uyabona ukuthi ngala khona u7 ngala kukhona bani u2. So which means akubalance. Kubalance o carbon kwabalance o hydrogen ababalancile o oxygen. So which means kunenye indlela ekumele sizame ezosebenzela. Yabo? Okay. So buka ke. Ukuze sithole lo ndlela naku kwesizokwenza. So sesiyazi ukuthi uma sifaka uthula kuba uthula but ke kwenzakalani uma sifaka no3 la. So sephuma 3 times 1 ngufaka lo 1 3 times 1 u3 2 times 2 u4. This is how we got lo 7. Go oxygen. Go hydrogen. Sivele safaka lo 3 lo. Azameni enye indlela ke manje. So zame uclearisha la lokho kubovu. Clearisha. Okay. Yeah. Asibukeni ke again. So, la into siqala ngayo. Sina 2 carbon atoms, sina 6 carbon atoms, sina 6 hydrogen atoms, sina 2 oxygen atoms. Ngala sina 1 carbon atom, 2 hydrogen atoms, 3 oxygen atoms. Alright. So uyabona into u2 no3. U2 no3 wenza 6. Uyayibona nto le 2 no3 wenza u6. So ngenze u2 uma sifaka u3 la and then ngala kuze kube u6 kunento emele siyenze. Yabo? Ngenza sifake u6 la straight uphume u6 nala babalance obani o oxygen. Sibuyele emuva ke lento le. And then 6 times 2 kube bani u12 la. Ukuze kube u12 la sifake omunye u2 la. Yabo uma sifaka u2 la kuzoba la. Kuzoba u12 nala and then size la go carbon. Sebeba u4 o carbon but buka ke once safaka u4 la shintsha yonke lento le. Safaka u4 la kwenzakalani? Lo 1 lo la sebeba ngaphi? Sebeba u4 la nala ba u4 but the main problem is all carbon sebethintekile futhi. Yabo? All carbon buka njengoba u4 la oxygen sebeba u8 plus lo 6 lo phuma 14 which is not lo ongala. So even u4 doesn't work. So umuntu esinamzama manje is u3. Let's try with u3 zama ukubona ukuthi wona uzosinika because it's never usually inumber enkulu. Into esebenzisayo usually is trial and error. Vele inumber zila eduze. Awuhamba uzofike ko 18 mhlawumbe ko 30 cha. Okay, asibhekeni again. So, siyazi ukuthi uma sifaka u2 it doesn't work la. Uma sifaka u4 it still doesn't work. So, ake sizame u3 sibothi wona uzosebenza but uma sifaka u3 la ngeke ba balance la. Yayizwa into le uma sifaka u3 la. Asibukeni ke ngenye indlela ke manje. So, we have 2 carbon atoms la. We have 1 carbon atom ngalapha. Yabo? We have 6 hydrogen atoms. Ngala we have 2 hydrogen atoms. Ngala we have 2 oxygen. Ngala we have 3 oxygen. So mele sibalance ke. Okay. Inkathi sizame u2 it didn't work. So uma sizama ukubalancisa azame ukufaka uthula from the get go la.